Hi guys, Paul Dexter here at the Jetbuilt booth here at CEDIA in Denver this year. We are showing off rAVe. It's our new all-in-one, it's a notification center, a communication center, everything that's going on in your company. But what's bigger than that is you can do everything from communicating with your clients back and forth regarding their projects. You can communicate with your team, your installers, project managers, executives. All of this happens inside of rAVe. It's essentially, if you use Slack, something a lot like that, but everything going on inside of Jetbuilt. And further, it notifies you if a client signed a proposal, or if a customer paid a deposit, or if a service case was closed. Everything is all right there. You've got your new, and then you've got a timeline of everything that's happened over the last day, week, months, and so forth. So come by, see rAVe. It's also right there at jetbuilt.com. You can dive in and check it out. We're showing that and many other things here at the show. Have a great show.